The OPTIturn S 600M is the right choice when turning and milling need to be combined in a single machine. Precise, fast and reliable in operation. Driven tools, a C-axis and a powerful CNC control system make it a compact all-in-one solution for demanding manufacturing tasks. The 45-degree slant bed design allows for large machining diameters and unobstructed chip removal. The heavily ribbed machine bed has been optimized using finite element analysis and offers high rigidity as well as thermal symmetry. The main spindle is driven by a Siemens servo motor with 11 kilowatts continuous power and is controlled with high precision via a direct encoder. The lateral motor arrangement reduces heat input and vibrations during the machining process significantly. The tool turret is a VDI-40 system manufactured under license from Salter. 12 driven stations with up to 4,500 revolutions per minute and 20 Newton-meters of torque are available. Axial and radial tool holders as well as several mounts are already included as standard. All axes are driven by Siemens servo motors with integrated encoders, precision ball screws and dimensionally stable linear guides ensure backlash-free, long-lasting movements. Control is handled by the Siemens SINUMERIK 828D in the PPU 271 version. Shop turn, three-dimensional simulation, live tracking and residual material detection are integrated as standard. Thanks to Safety Integrated, the machine can be safely set up even with the door open. The portable electronic handwheel with enabling switch and emergency stop makes program setup significantly easier. A Renishaw measuring arm for manual tool measurement is included as standard. The chuck and tailstock quill are operated hydraulically and conveniently via foot pedal. The integrated coolant system with cleaning gun supports clean machining processes. Optional features offered include alternative chucks, bar feeders, and a slotting function, among various other attachments. Custom automation solutions can also be tailored to the machine. The OPTIturn S 600M integrates turning, milling, and thread cutting functions into a compact premium CNC lathe. High precision, powerful drive technology, and a high-performance Siemens control system make it the ideal solution for modern manufacturing requirements.